Hey there, curious minds. Let's take a magical journey into the world of butterflies and learn about their amazing life cycle. Imagine a butterfly starts its life as a teeny tiny egg, just like a little seed waiting to grow. First, a mommy butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. These eggs are so small, you might need a magnifying glass to see them. After a little while, something special happens. The eggs hatch, and out comes a hungry caterpillar. The caterpillar eats and grows bigger and bigger. It's like having a big buffet every day. This stage is called the larva stage. Did you know caterpillars shed their old skin to make room for their growing bodies? Cool, right? Now, here comes the next big change. The caterpillar finds a safe spot to hang out and forms itself into a hard shell called a chrysalis. Inside, it's like a cozy cocoon where the caterpillar transforms into a butterfly. This stage is called the pupa stage. Finally, after a little while, the chrysalis cracks open, and out comes a beautiful butterfly. At first, its wings are soft and crinkly, but soon they'll stretch out and become strong. Now, the butterfly is ready to flutter around, sipping nectar from flowers and spreading joy wherever it goes. And guess what? The butterfly will lay eggs, starting the magical cycle all over again. So, that's the incredible journey of a butterfly, from egg to caterpillar, to chrysalis, and finally, to a magnificent butterfly. Isn't nature amazing? Here are 5 interesting facts about butterfly. 1. Butterflies come in many colors and sizes. Butterflies are known for their beautiful wings, vibrant colors and patterns. Some butterflies are small, like the size of a coin, while others can be as large as your hand. 2. They start as tiny eggs. Butterflies begin their life cycle as tiny eggs laid on the leaves of plants. These eggs are so small you might need a magnifying glass to see them. 3. Caterpillars love to eat. After hatching from the egg, a butterfly larva, also known as a caterpillar, spends most of its time eating leaves, which makes them grow. 4. They go through a magical transformation. When a caterpillar has eaten enough and grown to its full size, it forms itself into a protective shell called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turning into a beautiful butterfly. 5. Butterflies are important pollinators. As they flutter from flower to flower, butterflies help pollinate plants by transferring pollen from one flower to another.